And joining us now live is Dr. Mark Sawyer, an infectious disease specialist from Rady Children's Hospital. He was part of that FDA advisory panel that endorsed the Moderna vaccine booster for some adults. Dr. Sawyer, thank you for being here with us today.
Good to join you.
All right, so first of all, why half a dose? What was the reasoning behind that?
Well, anybody who's had a COVID vaccine is aware of the local side effects, sore arms, achiness, you don't feel good maybe for 24 hours. So the company did some studies and was able to show that by reducing the dose, they might reduce some of those local side effects and yet still get a good response. It's worth noting that the Moderna vaccine, as it's manufactured, already had significantly more of the mRNA in it than the Pfizer vaccine, just because of the way the two different products were developed. So by reducing the dose, they're still actually giving more than you get with the Pfizer vaccine.
All right, so this recommendation, it was for seniors, the immunocompromised, and those who live or work that put them at risk of getting COVID. So what happens to the millions of other people who received that Moderna shot that are not in those groups?
Well, the simple answer is at this point, we don't think they need it. We're still seeing that the vaccine is holding up in terms of persisting immunity and protection from particularly getting put in the hospital or dying. So this is a stepwise move to at least offer the booster to people who are at increased risk. And then if that goes well, we may expand it even further.
Okay, so we'll wait and see on that one. What can we expect on the recommendations for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine? You're going to be part of that panel again tomorrow.
Yeah, well, it's hard to predict exactly, but I've looked at the data that's been submitted to FDA, and it looks encouraging from my perspective. So there'll be a brisk discussion, as there always is at this meeting, to discuss the pros and the cons and the quality of the data. But if I had to guess, I would guess that the booster for Johnson & Johnson will also be approved, or at least recommended for approval by the committee at tomorrow's meeting.
Dr. Sawyer, we've also heard a lot about possibly mixing the doses of these boosters, Pfizer and Moderna, back with each other. Is that something we're going to see with these booster shots? Is that real?
Well, that's a topic that's going to also be discussed separately during tomorrow's meeting, is the mixing of different products, because you don't necessarily end up in the same provider office where you got your first doses. They may carry a different product. So it's important to know whether it's okay to switch products and get a different one. There's even some studies that certain combinations of products maybe work better than just getting repeated doses of the same thing. So that's all being carefully evaluated so that as we go forward, we'll know for sure what the best approach is.
And Dr. Sawyer, we all appreciate your work on this, being part of this advisory panel, and your time with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.